Here's two Beats Pill Bluetooth speakers, the 2024 model. I'm going to show you how to dual pair, basically pair two speakers at the same time so the audio comes out of both speakers. Very simple. So first thing is turn one of them on. So this one here is off. I'm going to press and hold that power button for 3 seconds. Let me just turn it off, okay? Now you need to be connected to your phone or your computer, okay? So I get a solid white light here. That means that it's connected to a different device. If it's rapidly blinking white, then it's in pairing mode, okay? But you want to connect it to a different device. And you can see that this one is actually connected to my iPhone right here, okay? So this is connected, okay, to my phone. So now what you got to do is, it's really easy, okay? Now what you got to do is just put the other one on. So the power button is here. I'm going to press and hold 3 seconds. Just turn it on. Now it's on, okay? Now what you want to do next is you want to press the multifunction button, which is in the middle here. You want to press both of them together until this light here turns blue. Both turn blue, okay? So power button, ready, set, go. Press and hold, keep holding both. Wait, okay, there's the blue. Let go. And now you have to wait like 6 seconds. Just wait till it's connected. And I'm just going to go ahead and just... Okay, now it's connected, and I'll just play a regular YouTube video because I don't want to get a copyright strike with music. Let me just turn it on. So, again, it doesn't matter if it's on or off. Okay, so what we're going to do is hold the power button and the volume down.
There you go.
Press and
okay,
hold and just
so it's on, and if you turn one of them off,
here. Okay, so power button.
Then it's just going to go back to just one of them.
Ready, set,
okay,
go.
So pretty simple.
Just keep holding.
Now, if you had issues where you couldn't do this, you can factory reset these. Actually, you can reset, factory reset both of these. Okay, if you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.